And tongue cause.
Take man.
Guess what? This year health minister in the middle of crossroad where I ask random citizens here what is the cause, in their opinion, of low sperm count, infertility in men, why they can't get them wife or them girlfriend pregnant. Serious question, and they gave a variety of answers. Take a look. Where you live?
Conductor work.
Conductor.
Yeah.
Bus work, I drive him there
You
now.
drive the bus.
Yeah, they are busy.
And you have businessman cross the road. What the man name?
Mr. Sledge. Nadre Cooper. Andrew.
Why some Jamaican man can't get them girlfriend, wife, whatever pregnant? Why you think them have a low sperm count?
Them eat right.
Them are 60 bag.
Them a 60 bag? What do you mean?
Bag boots up.
Oh, them have condoms?
Yeah.
Them not drink certain things, but them fi drink strong back and all of them something.
Because them not eat the right food.
What kind of food? What kind of food they must eat?
I'm afraid of women, so I stay far from them.
And when you drink that, you feel strength, you feel like you're a tier one lion.
You serious? The lion of your husband?
Yeah, I be husband.
Are yours?
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you, Mark.
Like we all get up in the morning and go eat all one peg of ackee. I go eat all 2 raw okra. And them look away, we go river, we catch the jungle them and the bus to them and them thing and boil soup. I eat a yam, I rent a yam, I ackee, the natural fruits.
So what you don't recommend to them then?
Chain root and them strong back and them raw moon and them bread nut and them sarsaparilla.
I personally don't think it's infertility. Plenty of the women has been raising their children all alone, and because of that, these young ladies now decide not to raise their children by themselves, so they refrain from having children. That's my experience.
Tell me what you think.
And tongue cause.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
It's
a week. So a week.
No. Yeah. You're young. How old you be?
36.
36. Where you account for low sperm count?
Basically, your habitual practices, and it also can be genetic, like generation.
Too much alcohol,
Alcohol?
smoking, ganja smoking and alcohol. I feel they don't take proper care of themselves and tight underwear.
Tight underwear. That one is interesting. Oh, that's
Yeah.
what I'm about. They tight underwear though.
They need to breathe.
Oh, they need to breathe. Okay, they need to breathe loud.
They private need to breathe.
Smoking, drinking, and bad health practices. I have no idea.
You have no idea? Eh? You don't have that experience?
No.
Eh? You're good to go.
Yeah, man.
How many children you have?
Just one still.
One.
Yeah,
Are you taking care, right?
Yeah, man.
Very important.
Yeah, man.
Respect. Keep doing what you're doing, right?
Eat.
So you have fire
Eat me
shot
get,
then. You
eat
have
me
fire
get.
some serious shot.
Yes, man.
Eh? Alright, you have to take care of them though.
Yes, man.
And that's important today.
Yes.
Responsible parenting we have to promote, right?
That's
So
all.
why they do it if they know that it's affecting?
Some people ignorant.
Ignorance.
Yeah, ignorant.
You think
They're
they don't know?
And not some might know, but them play dumb.
They play dumb.
Yeah, or the practices them feel comfortable in it.
Right. So you think a man will be willing to go to the doctor if he realize say he can't get his girlfriend pregnant?
No, them more blame it on the women.
Them blame for the why them blame the woman?
Sometimes them feel like say because probably them ejaculate and them not see enough like blood or nothing in them ejaculate.
So them use them signs and say the woman fault.
Yeah, I said
poor
the
woman when after them
it
fault.
can be them which
Yeah.
them supposed to check themselves.
So what you have to say to the man them out there now? Where?
Go and get checked. Just like the prostate. You never know if you have prostate. You never know if you have any disease or any internal problem unless you go and check. So don't be afraid to go to the doctor. Don't be afraid to go and check, see what is happening, and then you take it from there.
Excellent.
That's how we can actually manage our health and manage our situation so that we can actually stay healthy and move
How
on.
many children you have?
Three.
Three.
One
One wife,
wife, 3 children.
Committed.
2 girls,
Good
1 boy.
father.
Good father.
I get to myself check. Me myself afraid of doctor too, but
Yes.
nah, like
Afraid
from
of
something wrong, me have to just go.
Lakawa.
Boost up or something.
You want boost up?
Yeah, they want boost up.
What you don't recommend to them?
Mix up and food.
Mix up.
Yeah, like oats and peanut and them something there.
So after your medicine, not put some peanut.
Yeah, strong back.
And that you tell your boyfriend?
Enough is strong up. See there? Me get one nice one.
Drink too much, man. When I get a little sex and drink, I not until the drink settled up. The drinking is a problem with the man them nowadays.
So why them have a drink before
I don't know.
Me on the beat, so it's a banger.